Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are a few things you can do to prevent wheezing. Keep the air moist. Use a humidifier, take a warm, steamy shower, or sit in the bathroom with the door closed while running a hot shower. Drink something warm. Don't smoke. Follow your doctor's orders. Do breathing exercises. Clean the air.
Take our lead.
This high-pitched whistling noise can happen when you're breathing in or out. It's usually a sign that something is making your airways narrow or keeping air from flowing through them. Two of the most common causes of wheezing are lung diseases called chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and asthma.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Read on to learn more. Sit up straight. Sitting upright can help keep your airways open. Remain calm. Try to remain as calm as you can while you're having an asthma attack. Steady your breathing. Try to take slow, steady breaths during your attack. Move away from triggers. Call 911.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.